Hey y'all, so welcome back, and I'm back with another video. As you can see from the title down below, this is a part 2 of how to pack when you have a 6-month-old and you're traveling to Jamaica or out the country. So yeah, my baby, he right there talking to his daddy. About to get straight into the video, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I don't necessarily know if this is a Vlogmas video, but it's during Vlogmas, so I guess this is Vlogmas day 3. Hey y'all, so yes, like I said, I'm packing. So I want to, the last time I felt like I could have been a little bit more in depth with everything. Hold on, let me get my son 1 second. Okay y'all, my bad, I had to go get my son like I told y'all. Wanted to make sure he was closer to me just in case he dropped his toy or anything, I could pick it up. So last time I feel like I did not do a very in-depth video. I don't know if it was in-depth to you all, but I felt like I could have came a little harder. This time I want to do my due diligence to pack for Jamaica. So right now Jamaica is not too, like, it's not cold like during this time of year like I've experienced for the past 2 or 3 years, however long I've been going back and forth. December seems to be the most coolest. Everything I'm going to show y'all is pretty much what the weather is like there, not where it's cold. What I like to do is go to the store and get the 180 pack of size 4 diapers in the Huggy white box. The white box, you really get more bang for your buck because that one you get a 180, and then, you know, when you buy it separately it's like 76 or something. So then when you get 2 boxes of that, that's less than like getting 2 boxes of the 180. So that's what I did. I got 2 boxes, and what I did was I put the boxes, they come in little individual things like this, and I stuffed them in here neatly. And what I did was I made sure I packed things for my baby and wipes. So he been doing this little grunting thing, y'all. I think that's his way of communicating with me. You want mommy to give you attention? You want attention? You want your daddy? Let me pull you closer. Hold on, y'all. He was close, but I feel like he could be closer. Never too far from my baby. But yeah. So, you good, boo? You good? You good, mommy, baby? So yeah, so what I did was I got a box of Huggies. So I packed, I think 6 of these, but I might need some more just in case because we might be over there for about 2 months. So everything that I show you for baby came off of Shein, and some stuff was like gifted. So my mom bought this little cute onesie. This is for Christmas. Let's see. Oh dang. Sorry if y'all can see that bowl. So I got him, so I got myself, his dad, and him matching PJs. So this is it. This is the top. This is the pants. His was the only one that didn't come with freaking shorts. But it's okay because I'll take him in the room if we need to, if it gets too hot. Got this from Shein. It says, I love my grandpa to the moon and back, I think. Or, oh, my grandpa loves me to the moon and back. Super cute. I got this outfit. Super cute. Most of this stuff from Shein I got like 9 to 12 months in. He's 6 months, but he's a pretty little juicy 6 months. So yeah, I got this. Hopefully y'all can see what it says. It says, I didn't do it, nobody saw me do it, I demand to speak to my nana, because his nana gonna go to bat for him, period. This one says, I love my auntie, or my auntie loves me. My auntie loves me, yeah, because my sister loves him. You know what's going on. And it came with pants, so that's so freaking cute. So got that. I also got him this little cute romper thingy. Mind you, this came a little small. It should be right up on him, but it's 9 to 12 months. But so some of the stuff from Shein, it ran small, even when I did 9 to 12, but it's cool. And this one says, little peanut in a family full of nuts. That's too cute. So that, and then I got him this outfit, little tiger on it, and it comes with the shorts with the tiger on it too, so freaking stinking cute. So got that. Okay. And then this is me and his dad's outfits. We have, see, like I told you, we have shorts. This is his dad's shorts. And he has a shirt. And then mine is shorts and a little spaghetti strap type of thing. I wish they had, you know, my color Santa, but it's still cute, so it's cool. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this stuff back. So how much do y'all think the stuff that I just showed y'all, excluding the first onesie I showed y'all, my mom got that, but everything else that I just showed y'all, how much do y'all think it costs? I'll wait. It was $45, I swear. And this was a lot of outfits, and that's including 45, including his, like, me and his dad outfit. That's crazy. Like, so I advise, if you have a kid, you know, a baby, specifically a baby, shop on Shein, because they're going to grow out of the clothes very quickly. I didn't realize how fast people, like, it's one thing to hear they grow out of it fast, to actually be the mother or be the father, and you see, wow, they really do grow out of these clothes so fast. So for me, I'm always about never living above my means and just like doing the best thing possible when it comes to finances, and just doing the best thing that I think that will help me and my family stay financially all right. Go to Shein and get you some good little price stuff, because it's still cute. All those pieces I showed y'all were extremely cute. So yes, that's what I have packed for him. I also have to get his, I can't pack his sleepers and his bibs and his washcloths just yet, because he's still using them at home. And before we travel, like that day before on Saturday, I like to do just like a clean, and just clean everything, wash everything freshly, and then pack that stuff. So next stuff is my stuff. So I got me a pair of shorts, I got a shirt, because y'all know postpartum weight is real. I got another shirt. This is just like, most of the time when I'm in Jamaica, I'm just usually on some chill stuff. I mean, at home I'm usually chill too, so just got some stuff that is like chill. Got myself some shorts that can match that shirt. I got me a romper. Most of my stuff, like I told y'all, I can't fit any of my stuff, so I have my suitcase there, and then just a regular black shirt, you know. I have my suitcase there, but most of that stuff I probably won't be able to fit, just because I done got a little juicy. A shirt and another pair of shorts. So these shorts, like for the stuff that I just showed you for myself, how much do y'all think that was? I'll give you a second to think about it. That was just a whopping $50. That was, I think, like, what, 3 shirts, 2 shorts, a romper, and then a little sweat material shorts or something like that. So yeah, so this is what I do for this bag. I also, my mom got some of these brushes for his bottles. My mom also bought him this little, my first Christmas, like a blankie, so I'll have that over there. Also, that's pretty much all I have right now, and I have it packed in neatly. I'll also show y'all another, something else though. Hold on, baby. Here you go, buddy. So I also got him, there you go. I also got him some Dreft bottle dish soap. That's the only dish soap I use for him, primarily because it was gifted. So that's pretty much all I have. So yes, I have everything packed neatly. And then I'm going to show y'all the other suitcase. Well, this is the other suitcase. So this suitcase, I have, my sister bought this for him. It says baby's first Christmas. So I'm going to put this on the tree when we get to Jamaica. I don't know how this got in here. My mom got me some Bath and Body Works stuff. It's the, I love this scent. My sister bought it for me first. They changed the labeling of it, but it's called Gorgeous. So She got me the set where it comes with the lotion, the gel, and the spray. So I don't know if that's going to go in that bag or this bag, but yeah. So my baby has sensitive skin, so I use all free and clear. Last time I was in Jamaica, I couldn't find this specific brand. I found something, but it was pretty expensive, and I was like, oh heck no. But I did also go to the Mega Mart, but I went to a few other shops and I couldn't find it, so I'm going to have to bring that this time. Also, my baby drinks Infamil AR, so I got my cans today. I have 7. God bless you, baby. I have 7 of these cans. I don't know if you can see, I got another one that's out right now. I have 2 big ones, so I'm going to take those. What I'm going to do is, at first I was going to pay for increase on my bag, but I think I'll just take 2 bags. It's just because it's him and I traveling. I don't want to have that much because his dad is going to meet us there, but you know, he can't come and meet us until we're at the door coming out. So he can't come all the way back to like customs, you know, after we go to customs and pick it up. So I think I'm going to just pack this with all of the things that may weigh a little extra and put some more in, and then pack things that may be a little heavier in here and make sure it doesn't go over the 40 pounds. But that's the plan. The only thing I have to do, I have to get some more of his medicine. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to do. I think what we're going to do is just get him a walker and stuff there. He has a bouncer there, but he is becoming a little bit more independent. So usually when we're here, I put him in the playpen, and when my mom and dad is watching him, they usually put him in the playpen, and he's like, hey, okay. So we're going to figure it out, but this is Vlogmas day 3. I missed 2. And really, it's like, I don't even think, like I told you, I'm not doing Vlogmas, but since it's in the spirit of Vlogmas, I think that I will just label the videos as such, depending on when I post. But I hope that this video was very helpful. A tip for everyone, you know, I know that right now it's just really hard sometimes traveling with the newborn or with like a you know, young baby. But it is possible, it's feasible. Travel anxiety is a real thing for people, and I'm not oblivious to that, and I know that it comes with a lot. So I am not going to sit up here and just act like traveling with a baby is the most easiest thing in the world. Traveling with a baby is pretty rough. It is a little hard. It has its ups and downs, but trust me, it is, here you go, baby. But trust me, it is feasible. It is possible if you're traveling by yourself. Understand that you can get through it. I am in a solo, you know, parenting situation right now, but me and his father are together. But, you know, it is rough when we're over here overseas. I do have my family support, which I am thankful for, but the only issue is, like, you know, I'm traveling by myself, and I always have travel anxiety leading up to travel. And my last time I traveled with him by myself, it was a little overwhelming, but God does like put people and place people in the path to help you travel. So if you are a mother or a single mom or a mom that has, like, you know, in my situation where your partner is overseas, or you know, you are a single mother, or you're a mom that, you know, just wants to travel with her kids, or you know, your husband can't get off, or your baby father can't get off, or your boyfriend, whatever the situation is, it is feasible. You can do it. It's not impossible. It is like a lot, you know, when you think about it. But as women, as mothers, as human, as women in general, even if you don't have kids and you're thinking about having kids, but whatever the situation is, you can do it. You can conquer, and all will work itself out. So if you're in a situation like me where you're like, dang, I'm with someone that's overseas, or you know, my partner is in the military, or whatever the case may be, or my partner's not here, or whatever, you can do it. God will literally give you the power to get through it. And I hope that these videos are helpful. This time I wanted to do a little bit more details, show clothes, show items. So I may make a part 3 of like us going over. Just comment down below what you would like to see. The Jamaica content is coming back. We are going back home. We've been over here just trying to adjust, trying to get things figured out, but we are going back home. And I hope you all like the content when I go back over. I know some of you all specifically tuned into this channel specifically for content when I'm in Jamaica. So if the content is like gearing in another direction that is not what you signed up for, I'm so sorry. But I hope that you stay and stick with me. I told y'all I will be more consistent, and that is the plan. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down below what you would like to see for the rest of this year for Vlogmas. I'm not doing Vlogmas for real, but let me know. And I am out. Peace. Love y'all.